Hi, I'm Mike from myhomestereo.com, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we'll be unboxing the SVS Prime Center speaker. The unboxing starts now. Okay, let's get started with the unboxing. This is my third unboxing video for an SVS product. If you can see in the background, I've unboxed the SB2000 Pro subwoofer and the Prime Tower speaker. I bought all these during an outlet sale back in August, and I finally got to unbox the center speaker. I'm trying to build my system, so let's start the unboxing. So that's what it looks like right now. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box. And as with the other unboxings, we get this brochure from SVS. And I believe it has some instructions and manual, typical stuff. There's some, let's see, we have a registration card. These are some feet you can stick on the bottom. There's the owner's manual. And it's a brochure. You can see some of the other products from SVS. All right. Ooh. Gotta be a little more careful. You know, all these speakers have been sent well packed, so I don't think I would worry about anything getting damaged during shipping. So this one is a just like the subwoofer. This is a black ash finish. My tower speaker is the piano gloss finish. But they both look really nice. And they go well together. So as you can see, this has a speaker cover, which comes off pretty easily, and it's very solid, just like the other ones. You can see the individual speakers within this center speaker, and actually, I believe the correct way. It's like this. So there's a center speaker. Turn around. There's some cable connections. The last unboxing I did, I showed you some of the cables that I bought from SVS. They were really nice, and they'll work with these. And that's pretty much everything in the box. All right, so I'll hook all this up. I have a new receiver that I just bought. I'll be unboxing that in another video. But as far as the center speaker, there you have it. I'll be giving some specs here in a second. So hope you enjoy the unboxing. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Alright, thanks for watching the unboxing of the SVS Prime Center speaker. Be sure to check out myhomestereo.com. You can see a bunch of different reviews and articles about home audio, home theater, projectors. Also, the myhomestereo.com online store is now open. So there's a lot of home audio products and home theater products, including headphones, speakers, earbuds, projectors. We always have a lot of sales going on, so you want to keep that in mind now that we're getting closer to the holidays. But anyway, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.